Workspace pitfalls. A Terraform workspace changes the selected state file. The configuration files stay the same. One codebase can create separate objects per workspace. Shared code reduces duplication. Shared code also spreads mistakes across environments. Terraform.workspace returns the active workspace name. That value can change resource names. Different names prevent direct AWS name collisions. Workspace naming turns operator context into infrastructure input. A wrong workspace creates the right code in the wrong place. The default workspace exists before teams create environments. Default does not prove development, staging, or production. A plan in default can still target real AWS. Guardrails must reject ambiguous workspace names. Validation fails before resources are planned. A workspace selects state. A workspace does not select an AWS account. The provider still uses the same credentials. Production damage can happen from a dev workplace space. Account separation requires provider credentials or role boundaries. Conditionals can make workspaces create different resource graphs. A missing resource may be intentional or accidental. The plan becomes harder to compare between environments. Beginners may think workspaces clone complete environments. Workspaces only isolate state, not design decisions. Remote state needs a stable storage path. Workspace state paths must not overlap. A weak backend key mixes unrelated environments. State collision changes what Terraform believes exists. State mistakes can destroy resources Terraform did not create. On submarines, a valve label is not decoration. A wrong label connects the right hand to the wrong system. Terraform workspace names behave the same way. A small label error can route action into the wrong environment. Modern AWS provider syntax separates bucket controls. The bucket resource creates the bucket. Separate resources configure versioning and public access. This keeps ownership clear in the plan. State history needs versioning before teams depend on recovery. Workspace names become part of resource addresses. Names must be controlled before apply. Free-form names create unplanned environments. Unplanned environments create unmanaged costs and access paths. Validation turns naming policy into executable failure. Workspaces fit small environment differences. They fit when resources share one lifecycle pattern. They become risky when accounts, approvals, or topology differ. Directories fit when environments need different code paths. Separate root modules make environment boundaries visible.